Hello, Hopper class, and welcome to your next maths lesson. So let's get started. So remember, we're going to start with the starter, just like we would in class. We've got 3 questions here. So I want you to pause the video, solve these 3 questions, and then hit play, and we'll get the answers. So number 1 says, compare these numbers. So we have this number and this number. So you need to put in the symbol. So remember, we have the greater than, less than, or equals. And then number 2, you have a missing number. And number 3, you have a missing number, okay? So pause the video, and then I'll go over the answers when you're ready. Okay, so let's have a look. Number 1, compare these numbers. So this number is 45 and 32. Which number is bigger? Now I know 45 is bigger than 32. So I'm going to draw my symbol greater. So I'm going to show 45 is greater than 32. So remember, the big side of the symbol is pointing at my big number, and the small point is at the small. Well done. Okay, let's do this missing number. 5, 10, 20, 25, 35. So what are we counting by? Do you know? 5s, that's right. So we have 5, 10, well done, yes, 15, 20, 25, well done, 30. Whoops, sorry, fantastic. And then our last one is another missing number. So 25, take away something equals 20. How am I going to do this? So I can start with 25 in my head, and I'm going to take away until I get to 20. Now that will work in this case because we don't have to count very far. So I'm going to put 25 in my head, and I'm going to count backwards until I get to 20. So she'll stop. Okay, it's 25 in my head. So I'm going to go 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. Well done. Yeah, so it is 5. Now, if you couldn't do that in your head, so remember, you can do a number line. So you could write a number line, and you could have 25, and you count backwards until you get to 20. Or when you have a missing number with a takeaway, remember, you can always do counting on. You can think about, I've got 20. So I need from 20, and I need to get to 25. So I'm going to put 20 in my head, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And I've got to 5 that way. Okay, so there's lots of different ways. You can do a part whole model. You can do tens frames. So give yourself a tick. If you've got it wrong, then write the correct answer in, okay? So our objective today is, can I compare height? So yesterday we did length and how long or how short something was. Today we're going to do height. Oh, let's have a look. So here are some words. So we have, my turn, your turn. Small, smaller, smallest. Well done. We have tall, your turn. Taller, tallest. Fantastic. And then we have same. So when we look at height, we're looking how tall something is or how small. So in school, we have often measured the height of all the children, haven't we? And we've had to put you in order, and we've looked at the tallest down to the smallest or to the shortest. So let's have a look. Oh, here we go. Who is the tallest? So I've got these children and some teachers, looks like. So who is the tallest? How do we know? It's kind of tricky to see them like that, isn't it? So we need to compare them. So do you remember, how do we compare items? That's right, we need to keep them, start them all at the same spot. Because if I look, I might think, oh, she's the tallest because she's at the top, but they're not all starting at the same spot, are they? So if we put them in a line, and then I'm going to draw my line, and remember, we're looking at the tallest. So when I hit the first person, you shout me to stop. Okay, ready? Oh, well done. Yeah, so she is the tallest. So can you say tallest? Well done. So we've got a bunch here. Now we're going to look at the shortest. Okay, we're going to look at which child is the shortest. So again, just by looking, it's quite tricky. So we need to do what? That's right. We need to line them up. So I've lined them up and I've got my line. And so now we're going to keep going, keep going, keep going until we hit the last. So that would be the shortest. So we know, oh, she is the tallest. Well done. Let's keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Should I stop? Oh, no. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Oh, is she? No. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, oh, there we go. So he is the shortest. Shortest. Well done. So we know that she is the tallest and he is the shortest. So we're looking at height. So we're looking at how tall something is or how short something is. So today you are going to have to be looking around your house for items that are tall or taller than you and items that are shorter than you. So let's have a look at your activity. So can you find 3 things that are taller than you and take a picture and 3 things that are shorter? Now, how is that going to work? Because how am I going to find 3 things that are shorter than me? If I said, okay, I've got my tea flask here, this is shorter than me, but how am I going to take a picture properly? I can't just hold it like this, can I? No. So we need to either be standing in the line and you can have things laid out next to you. You could lay on the floor and have things laid up next to you. Now, things that are taller than you, think about things in your house. Now, let me give you a clue. So things that are maybe taller than you could be something that you have to open up, maybe, and look up, something that maybe that you can't reach. It might be something that you maybe sleep with, something that you put over top of you. So that might be something that you lay out on the floor and you lay next to it and you can see which is the tallest, okay? So find 3 things that are taller than you and 3 things that are shorter than you. And then I want you to answer these 2 questions. So I've got 2 towers here. I've got a blue tower and a green tower. It says, which tower is taller? And you need to write me the answer. And which tower is shorter? So you can write me the answer there. Now, pause the video if you want to finish, and then we've got our challenge. So here is my challenge question. It says, a long brick, so this brown one is the long brick, is twice the length of a short brick. So it means that it takes 2 of my short bricks to make 1 long brick. So here you can see in this picture here, 2 of the gray bricks, 2 of the short bricks, if I put them together, is the same length as 1 of the brown bricks. It says, which is longer? So there are 2 questions. So it says 2 long bricks, so, or 3 short bricks. So you're going to have to think. If I had 2 of these long bricks, and then I laid down here 3 short bricks, so there's 2, and if I put another one, which would be longer? So which is longer? 2 long bricks or 3 shorter bricks? So that's question 1. Then question 2 says, which is longer? 3 long bricks or 5 shorter bricks? So if you want, you can try drawing this out. That might help you to look at it. Also, it's a maths question. So it also works by doing counting, okay? So that is a tricky challenge. So try your best. Take a photo and put it on Tapestry, okay? And I enjoy seeing things that you can find that are taller than you and things that you can find that are shorter than you, okay?